Hi guys, today we're back with another video, and today we got a package that our cousin Sarna Didi ordered for us. And I'm Rashika, and this is my little brother, Joel.
Hi.
And so this package, Joel was so happy to see that it was here because it has like this Lego set inside that you have to like break out of, like you have to punch it out and then you have to build it. And then it also has my camera protector in it. So yeah, let's get started. You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Oh no, look!
There's everything you can make with it.
It means when it's sunny outside, because it's summer right now, when it's sunny outside, you can put it outside and then it will just roll. We used to have solar cars in our smart lab and we would make them. It was so fun. And then here's my glass protector for my iPhone 13 mini. And then there's the camera. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's like in there. And then you can take it out and show you. It looks so nice, and it was like only $6 or whatever. I'm so very happy that Sarna bought these for us. Do I take the case off and put it on?
Here we are.
Instructions? Or stickers? Oh, there's the instructions. See? How to show them. Let me show them this. You have to like, these are like plastic things that's 3D printed, and then you have to punch them out of their little holders. And then they're also like,
No,
the
these
stuff
are
that's
the
in
real
there.
stickers. Oh, here we are.
Yeah, there's the motor in there. We have that too. You have to like connect it to the wheels, which has gears, and then it would move.
And
Oh, is that a little solar panel?
yeah. Wait, how do I pop these out?
Read the instructions. Oh, there's stickers too. Okay, so here, do you want me to say? Okay, so we're not gonna build this right now. We're gonna hold it off until later. But if you want to see the video, where Joel makes it, I'll help him a little bit. But if you want to see the video where we make it, then subscribe to our channel and click the notification so that you can be notified when we upload it.